What's up, Mooch Lifers? Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, November 12th, 2023. Pittsburgh Steelers, Green Bay Packers, big tailgate today. We got Bert and Aaron, our friends in the car. We're gonna go down and celebrate, get a victory. We'll see you at the tailgate right here on Mooch Life. Crisp 33 degrees down here at the parking lot. Tailgate is getting underway, setting it all up. We got all the booths and crock pots and grills and tailgate and stuff. We got the booze. We got buffalo chicken dip, some Minnesota pot roast, and we brought the Keurig today. Yeah, Bailey's, black and yellow with the extension reel there for the power, black and yellow for the generator. We're doing it Steelers style here today. Woo! Here we go, Steelers, here we go. And then we got the TV, 42 inches, a high def mobile action. We're gonna watch the 9:30 Germany game, Patriots Colts, so that's coming up. And the Mr. Buddy heater, of course, because you got to stay warm in these frigid Pittsburgh football games. Bacon is on. Gonna have some eggs. Ooh, farm fresh brown eggs. What are you doing? Are you making me a coffee? Look at that.
I did that and that.
Apparently the Keurig uses all the juice. Eco mode off. Oh yeah, I forgot about the Steelers toolbox. Oh, check it. Seasonings and condiments. There it is. Let's go check on the coffee. What are you doing there? I don't want the Grinch frosted sugar cookie. I want the Baileys. Let's get some of that in there. It's Steelers Day. We drink the Steelers coffee. Steelers coffee comes with the Baileys. Ooh, that's how you start your morning off. What are you doing? You're eating shrimp already. Shrimped up. Shrimped up on a Sunday. There's our first cheese head. Look at that. Freaking cheddar cheese on the head. Ain't nobody got time for that bullshit. Check out parking lot. It's nice and full under the bridge. Doing what we do. You know, it's time to do a shot apparently. Get this party started right. Woo. Tootie got me a shot.
Are you gonna drink one of your pussy drinks?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink one of my pussy drinks. High noon, booze and booze. Cheers! Woo! Shot number 1, beer number 4, and the Bailey's coffee. If you guys check out my old YouTube video from the Steelers game last year, you'll remember our pal who comes from England. What up, buddy? Yeah! I was wondering if you were coming. You want to get in the vlog again? Did you see my vlog? I did watch it. Yeah! How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Is this your one game this year? No, you've been a couple times.
Yeah,
What are you moving stateside?
I need to get 7 to get citizenship, right?
Yes, yes. Get a job in the Pittsburgh area there. Yeah, he's back. England's back. It's the birthday boy. Make that birthday wish, Keys. Ooh. Make that birthday wish. Upside down. No, right side up. Tailgate was a success. He shows you the food, the cornhole, the drinks. Loading back up. It's time to go see Steeler Nation. Pittsburgh Steelers beat the shit out of the Green Bay Packers. Let's go. It's Green Bay Day. You got the Heinz Gate C. There's the ketchup bottle. That ketchup bottle used to be on the scoreboard, but since Acrisure Stadium took over, we just get a little gate for the famous ketchup bottle, which is baloney. We want it back on the scoreboard.
You're good.
Thank you. Woo, woo. I should go up. Yeah. See, you're gonna see, dude, we're gonna see all these cool players at halftime. Let's go, Steelers!
Clever Brady, Jalen Warren, touchdown mother,
Pittsburgh Steelers.
17.
And we're back. Get that touchdown real quick here. Nice, wasn't it, baby? Touchdown, Steelers!
Come on, Kenny.
Get some! What in the world?
That's incomplete.
Nice throw.
Didn't even have a chance. First and 10 on the 16. Kenny Pickett. We got Jalen Warren. Get some. Get some. Get some. Yeah! Yeah! Touchdown Steelers. Jalen Warren. What a run, baby.
16 for 6.
Hey, oh, let's go. Hey, oh, let's go. Hit that camera with the towel. Hit the camera with the towel. Got to go get that 50-50 raffle now here at Acrisure Stadium. It's already over $100,000 today, and it's only the second quarter. And TJ Watt's over here getting sacks, and they're booing. I don't know what's going on here.
Bowl champion, Charlie Mack.
Charlie Batch! Hey, Charlie!
Kentrell Bell.
Woo! Kentrell Bell!
Never heard of him. What did he do?
Number 66, Super Bowl champion and Pro Football Hall of Famer, Alan Faneca.
Woo! Alan Faneca!
He's cute. What did he do?
Number 77, Marcus Gilbert.
Yeah, Marcus Gilbert, what do you say?
What did he do?
Who's the lineman? Tell me the numbers. I'll teach you that.
Yeah.
Number 64, Super Bowl champion, Jeff Harding.
Woo! He was the center. He was Ben Roethlisberger's center when he first started.
He looks old as hell.
Well, yeah, he was already older when
Number
Ben
10,
started.
Super Bowl 43, MVP.
Yeah! Santonio! What do you say, baby?
I say OH to that.
Number 28, Super Bowl champion, Chris Hope. Number 29, Super Bowl champion, Gina Iwuma.
Woo!
champion, Mike Logan. Number 55, Arthur Moats. Number 45, Roosevelt Dix. Number 55, Super Bowl champion, Joey Porter.
Yeah, baby! Joey Porter! What do you say? There it is!
Number 53, Marquise Pouncey.
What did he do?
He was then Senate when he retired.
Number 54, Mike Schneck.
Is that what that means?
You know, like Jeff Hardy was the first, and then
Like they give them the ball under their ass?
that Cordell Stewart, number 10, though, is coming.
Number 89, Super Bowl champion, Matt Spade.
What did he do? He was a wide
Tight end.
receiver.
Tight end.
Tight end.
Number 78, two-time Super Bowl champion, Max Starks.
Look at you, Fatty. You go, Fatty. I love the Fatty.
Number 10, Cordell Stewart.
Yeah! Slash! Slash!
Number 84, Super Bowl champion, Jeremy Tubin.
Tubin! Tubin!
And number 20, Dwayne Washington.
What's he? A running back? Yeah. Look, he went around. He went on the outside.
Let's hear it one more time for your Pittsburgh Steelers.
When it comes out, we say, hey, Christine's at the Timeout's 32 seconds. We're not gonna spike it. He's gonna run it. He's gonna get out of bounds. 22 seconds. Come on, TJ. Make a play, TJ. Get him! Yeah! Yeah! Alex Highsmith! Yeah! Here's the game. Fourth down. It's the game. What do you say? You gotta spike it. 7, 6, 5.